Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin and the other. Reports Bitcoin.com cuts staff by 25%. Executive salaries reduced. According to Atlanta reports, Bitcoin.com has laid off a quarter of the company's staff and it has crossed the crypto company's Argentina. The set of weakest as well. The loss follow the report that noted Bitcoin.com lost $270 million due to exposure to their own capital. Bitcoin.com launched of 150 workers creating crypto winter condition. On July 21, 2022, a Blockchain.com representative told Coindex in an email that the company has laid off 150 workers or to 25% of the staff. The company further noticed that executive salaries and the CEO's compensation were also cut back. According to the reporter, Lenses was from the scores. Bitcoin.com cited harsh bear market condition and the desire to absorb in financial losses. Lenses lesson was also the reporter that valid Bitcoin.com lost $270 million over exposure to Tier 3 EEC, as Leonson was able to review a letter to shareholders written by the CEO Peter Smith. The source answers that explains that the firm reckoned 25% reduction has brought Bitcoin.com what forecast down to the 6 was in January. The company also closed its Argentina-based office and speculative parts of the company will be toned down. The report noticed that efforts dedicated to institutional lending, gaming deals, and the company non-fungible token marketplace will be sold. Blockchain.com lawyers follow a number of firms that have provided staff cuts, including crypto companies Elite Bits, Robinhood, Coinbase, Gemini, 2TM, Rand Financial, Blockchain, Bitpanda, Botnibit, and Crypto.com. The rarest and if the market plans by sellers for me offensive just really cut 20% of its staff, and Gemini had its second round of layoffs this week as well. To that, a few dozen employees from various cryptocurrency and blockchain-related firms have been let go, and all of the companies have cut the various crypto winter. So the report noticed that efforts dedicated to institutional lending, gamers deals, and the company non-fungible token market will be sold. Okay guys, thank you very much. Maybe just this Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you